everybody, it's Teacher Diana. I wanted to go ahead and read a book. This is going to relate to the radish seeds that I sent home a couple of weeks ago, and it is a book about planting, and it's called The Carrot Seed. A little boy planted a carrot seed. His mother said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." His father said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." And his big brother said, "It won't come up." What do you think is going to happen? Do you think the mom, dad, and the brother are right? Or do you think that it's going to grow? Let's look. Every day, the little boy pulled up the weeds around the seed and sprinkled the ground with water. Look. He's sprinkling the seed with some water. But nothing came up. And nothing came up. He's waiting a long time. Let's see. Everyone kept saying, "It won't come up." But he still pulled the weeds around it every day and sprinkled the ground with water. He was determined for it to grow. Let's see. And then one day, look, what's happening? I see something growing. A carrot came up. Whoa, look at that. Just as the little boy had known it would. That was a really short book. And maybe for next week in our Zoom meeting, I could go ahead and ask you guys on how your radishes are coming along. So keep that in mind. I might ask you guys that. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you soon.